It was Wednesday game dev time. So it is Wednesday, my dudes. I hope so. That looks good. Looks about right. We have some chimneys. Yeah, so I need to rework a bunch of models because I may or may not screwed up the scale. Very good, Shadow, very good. How are you doing? How was your day? Oh, and that's what I do all day, right? The whole day I do this. Hey, Cricket, right? Compared to your Blender skills, mine are at least existent. Yeah, and screwing up the scale is really easy to do, believe it or not. But I finished a few houses already. They are in rework done. Those. And while I'm on it, I might start to changing them. So that's where my brain goes, nah, come on, you do them right. And I also have the little mannequin somewhere. Oh, I don't, but I can import it. It's freshly exported from Unreal. Going to wake up the hubby. You wake up the hubby and then you shall return. Then you prepare breakfast and then you just do stuff. It's nice to see you, Tina. So we have the mannequin, right? The mannequin supposed to live in a house. Right. In this house. Not this one. Lives in this house. And the problem with the mannequin house is, right, it was built by giants. Well, apparently not. Let's just make up a whole goddamn story. Tired, Shadow, tired. How can you be tired? I'm working on it. Alright. I actually checked the scales already and which buildings will be in which scale. Something just triggered my Alexa. Alexa, stop. Just randomly started music. A database migration. That sounds like a few commands and it would be done. But I'm not the expert, right? Could be that I just did a disservice to the craft. Look at this. Who has this? These doors, right? What is this? Ooh, that sounds harsh then. So did you tell your boss, hey, I would rather do a chaos vehicle? Second try. I mean, we both know that at some Saturday you will be like, I think I found it, and then you will just try it again. Then you will vanish for a few days, come back and be like, I got it! So yeah, I was clearing my CV, that's why I'm late. We also just wait for Sven to play his game on stream. If he isn't here till 11, I will go for smoke, then we play his game and I just tell him, hey, you missed it. And you need to watch the VOD or just check my YouTube. My YouTube? Yes, my YouTube. No one of you watching my YouTube, are you? Alright, I still need to find a place for Sven's. Svardis? What was it, a Svardis? So I would say, wait, we can't do two windows here. I mean, we can probably hide it at the harbor directly, right? Well, no, I wouldn't like to have another Easter egg. If you have all the containers with names, it wouldn't fit to have then one specifically in there. So maybe level 3 in some garden. Or like, you line them up at the road. Have like the red ones and then suddenly there's a blue one. Yeah, today I was reworking my CV. Like the last hour, that's why I was kinda late. But I'm here. I was on time. We thought that Cricket was here, but he's probably streaming now. Because for some reason he started this war. And he has no idea who he's dealing with, right? Gonna have some beef! Because... yeah, but I want a job where I'm happy to get up in the morning, right? I envy every person who goes up in the morning and is like, yeah, I can work. I gonna do. I hang out with people I like. People with shared interests. Not every morning, hey, have you seen a football game? There was a football game? What the f are you talking about? It wasn't my living room. How would I have noticed it? And Shadow, I'm a millennial, right? Oh, I'm not sure if Shady changes her underwear, right? I'm a millennial. I can change my job as often as I want, right? Because that's our generation. We don't work to make career, we work to survive. And I will apply again for the teaching position. Now that they have an official... what's this in English? Job offering? And imagine that as a job, right? I can do this. I can do this 8 hours. I can work on my side project for 8 hours and then be like, okay, it's finished. Time for my free time project. Just teach people on the side, really. Oh, in my side project, I noticed that I'm just doing it like we do it in this project, right, in TCD. I just add stuff by now to the first sprint, which is overdue for 10 days now. Yeah. That's just how this works, right? Exactly, general guidelines. Oh yeah, Shadow, do you know if Unreal tracks the time you have been in your project? Or that you actively worked on it? That's a question, does it? Huh? Windows. Yeah, does it? That's the question. I thought you might know. I mean, I know someone to ask. Not with this browser. ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Not dox myself. Yes, Unreal Engine has a built-in time tracking feature that allows developers to track the amount of time spent working on the project. This feature is called Time Manager and can be accessed from the window menu in the Unreal Engine. Unreal Editor. So Shadow, if you have Unreal open, tell me if this works. That would be really neat. Oh. Not a big man, no. Relaxing. Yeah, that's when I open Unreal Engine to relax. Why do I do this? Let's check this out. "81 days, my friend. 81 days. Right. Many more days to come. Yes, I'm afraid so. But I think we have a good pace. You lurk. I will figure out if the time tracking thing works. Under the window menu. Window menu with Time Manager. I don't see it. This feature is called Time Manager. It's not a plugin, so this feature is called Time Manager and can be accessed from the window menu in the Unreal Editor. Window. Unreal Manager. Ah. I just had the revelation that everything of those is a search thing. Well, yeah, no. Well, it's probably somewhere. It will be somewhere. Yeah, we can fix this while we're here. See the power of that. Well, Sally, you could argue that, but have you ever seen Modo? No, no. Well, like 5 minutes. It's a Wednesday, right? It's a Wednesday. Wednesdays I'm here from 10 to 12. I wasn't even late, right? I started like the timer too late. Also, I was working on some stuff. Yeah, Modo looks like pain. Modo looks like, yeah, that's a nice model you made there. Now clean it up for 8 consistent days. No, it's alright, it's alright. Isn't like I'm known for my... how do you describe it? Streaming schedule like a clock. I never heard of Wing 3D, so I started with Blender, I stayed with Blender, and I will stick with Blender. So, as my good friend Mavis always says, you can use any 3D software you want, but if you just think about learning it and starting, use Blender. And he uses Modo. And he looks so much in pain sometimes. I know he rage quit it once. Because the UVs were all strange and... Yes, Shadow or AI? Well, yeah. But you probably also made bad experiences with a woman. And still. Oh no, 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 no. Booleans are actually pretty easy if you understand how they work. Oh yeah, how did it look actually? Did it just break everything, or you let it run a while, right? Or did it just break and you said that we're just looking at the other stuff? I mean, it had holes in the cars. But it's in the baby shoes. The eyebrow. Okay. Well, maybe if you don't give him 4 gigabytes of... Oh. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, I thought maybe it's because you gave him 4 gigabyte of data. And he was like, yeah, nah, let's not do that. Well, yes, but just because they say it can do something, right? Don't forget a website is a marketing tool. Yeah, when is your next stream? I'm streaming today. I miss your streams. And I pay for not having ads. But I guess no ad, no stream, no ads, right? Let me get a little bit more comfortable. Comfortable. So, Sally, which of the 3D programs do you use now? Still Blender. Don't need to like it to work with it. Think of all your colleagues. Yeah, so you have a problem with Booleans in general, or is this a topic of the past? Because there's actually a quite easy trick how you can make Booleans work. So Booleans have like an IT solution, you know, turn it on and off again. Yeah, so the easiest trick is to just set it to simple. And when I was making my tanks, which have a lot of booleans and interacting booleans, you know, booleans and booleans, I noticed that just setting it to simple solves like 80% of all my problems. Yes, yeah, booleans are not for mass production, right? You shouldn't use them in great masses. And in most cases, if you use a boolean, right, there is a simpler solution just at hand somewhere. Hey, 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 I say hey. What's going on? I think I know this. Where do I know this from? Oh, it's Hey Stupid from Alice Cooper. Is it? No, it's Crazy Frog. Fuck. As soon as I feel enough to do it. Well, on the way to recovery now, but I have been so sick in many years. Oh, knocked me completely out with regards to productivity. Just trying to distract myself from pain. Recovery mode, okay. Yes. Okay, I hope you get well soon. Well, Alice Cooper was a crazy frog, wasn't he? Yeah. It's not stream time. So why do you send it in my stream, right? We are friends, you can use my Discord. Even have my private Discord. Like most of the people by now. Yeah, I hope you get better, man. I mean, the timing is really bad for you, right? You're so close to releasing the alpha, then you get sick. And maybe it's God's way of telling you to slow down a bit. When he starts Vulcan? What? I don't even know what it means. Joke I'm missing? Are you translating it in Vulcan? Shadow, you know I'm musically illiterate. We established that when you were trying to find a song I know. To be fair, White Death is a millennial as well, and he knows all the music. Okay, yeah, I'm a little bit odd. Little bit. Oh, I see it, yeah. You're absolutely right. There's a filter, you are absolutely right. There's a noise gate on the music. That's not supposed to be. You notice this while cutting videos. Yeah, you have a noise gate on your music. I'm starting Vulcan. How exciting. Yeah, you translate your game in Vulkan now. Proper application of peer pressure goes a long way. Yeah, Ati, I'm actually really curious about your project. I think it's one of the most badass projects I see on Twitch. I mean, there's also Mud Dragon who yesterday said, so I specifically chose this engine because it's very hard and limited. Okay. Some people just want to make a game, you know. Let me see, my friend Madrang. Oh God, how do you write his name? Let me make a shout out, right? While we're here. Yeah, let's do some shout outs, right? Fifth the Magic Dragon Cooper. So let's start with Art, alright? I can't just say cool stuff about him and not show you his work. But he doesn't have clips. I really need to stop clipping there. So yeah, that's Arte. He is making his own engine. He makes his own game in his own engine with pixel art from his own pixel program. Then we have Sully, are you streaming? I don't remember. Let's find out. The dark art coding skills. So who we got? Yeah, Matt. One of the guys that doesn't need to show up to get a shout out, and I forgot how to write his name. You just read this right. I don't stream, but TY lol. So again, I need to look. I follow too many people. Show more. Yeah, no problem. I mean, most people here probably know you by now, but still. Mudbound Dragon. That's his name. I hope. Sounds familiar. He's fun. Deeply regret it. And this bites us in the ass for some reason I can't foresee. That's the plan. So we're gonna. This is future Chris's problem. That guy. Let's do this. Yeah, he's using Pico 8, okay, which I never heard before. But apparently it's made-up coding language for a made-up console that doesn't exist and has strict limitations. I dislike. Yes. Well, yeah. So who else do we have to shout out, right? I talked about a Mavis. Oh no, my ad is not working. It's a sign of God. No, my keyboard changed again. Oh, cricket! I forgot cricket. Let's do this first. Like a affirmation. Cricket is making
we're getting that final
stuff
error.
at this point.
Final error.
Yeah, that's cricket. So, my experience with watching cricket streams is best described as insanity. Yeah, I think that fits, because the first stream I met him, I don't even remember. I think it was an Arthur raid. Would that be? Oh, it was definitely some raid. And so it was, yeah, I'm making this tactics game. Right? This tactics game, and it's heavily inspired by stuff like Fire Emblem. And not follow tactics, Final Fantasy Tactics. And I was like, hey, I like this game. I think I played it on the Game Boy Advance emulator. Don't tell Nintendo, please. And so I was like, yeah, let's follow him. Let's show up next time. And the next time he was standing on a ladder painting his room. And I'm like, what is happening here? And the next stream he started on, he did Final Fantasy, his tactics game again. And it suddenly he was making a ball game for his Twitch viewers. So there was a lot going on this time. I think that's what you call a variety streamer. Oh, I can just raise them. Right, I wanted to shout out Mavis. Don't want to have gRAIDful an easy job while he cuts this video.
I wanted to do this one live. I was going to just record it last night, but I wanted to do it live. And it's kind of a hardcore selection too. It's all like, hang on, buddy. All right, get this out of here. 609 triggers. And delete. Yes, all.
Really needs to clean up his clips. But I think he doesn't want to be associated with this project anymore.
Delete.
So, a day ago I got 2 follows. From whom? Doodlebug Dev and DPT Chica. I don't remember interacting with them. Well, gRAIDful, let's face it, the next time we meet each other, when I put 2 tickets to Japan in your hand. probably. I mean, I can't pick one. I'm just there for the nightlife. If you catch my drift. What the hell am I even doing here? That's a good point to ask to raise this question, right? Like this is my career. And nobody expects that I know what I'm doing. Oh no, you see, that's why you think wrong. You think as a tourist, you need to think as a businessman. So first of all, as soon as you go in a fancy hotel, you can ask for some nightly entertainment and they will provide it for you. That's a business way of doing it. And the best way to act like a businessman is doing business in Japan. So you go like, yeah, I'm having a meeting with Honda Mitsubishi. And he and I will have business. Wait, doesn't a business in Japan end in a brothel? Or was this China? One of the Asian countries has this tradition. It's either a bar or a brothel. Mitsubishi's in a crisis? How so? How so? I didn't hear stuff. What did they do? Did they misgender an employee? And Indians were on the back foot for decades. Nissan? Yeah, here you can cut the meme in. Just to give you an idea. Wow. No, the Nissan. The Nissan meme. You know the one. Oh, I follow Jaden BayX. It's probably just Jaden Bay. And the X is because the name was already taken. Oh, it's Jaden Bakes. And that would be a good name for a baking channel. So, are you baking, Jaden? Are you baking? What's bikes? Now we can. Now it's bike entertainment. Don't know this meme? It's the Bakes one. Bikes? Bakes. It's a Nissan meme. So I said a bunch of those. We need to clarify this. Can I call you Jaden or Jay? So what brings you here, Jaden? Just a little bit of chilling around. Wednesdays usually for chilling around, having fun, being in a good mood. It's, you know, the Mountain Fest. We're at the top. From here, we slid into the weekend. We just chill. I like houses. I too. And someday I will live in one. But till this day, I make content for Twitch and YouTube. Until Mr. Beast is in my living room saying, hey, for $1 million, would you do a backflip? And I finally can show off this talent and tell everyone, hey, I made $1 million with a backflip. Just need to practice some backflips, but I haven't explored YouTube. There are houses on YouTube. I believe so. So recently I was asking, so me and roommate were asking the question, could you build a house just with YouTube tutorials? And then we quickly figured out that would be a pretty cool YouTube channel. Just building with a YouTube tutorial. But yeah, I have a YouTube. It's linked somewhere. Yeah. Does it have a nope? No. Like a modern house, right? You start with, you go on YouTube, right? And you go like on YouTube, right? You go like how to build a house foundation step by step. And then you follow this tutorial of lignum. And then slowly you build your house. Step by step. Just following YouTube videos. And when you reach your goal, then you have a house. And probably sponsoring with different high class companies. Oh damn, I don't see Sven anywhere. Well, if he doesn't show up, we know how it goes. Just play his game anyway. I actually didn't start. I don't even know if it works, right? But we will find out in like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, you can do that, but it's against the spirit, alright? What the hell is that? Right. Oh, fuck. That's Mr. Reference guy. The base model from Unreal. Can give him a schlong if you want. Yeah, he shows me how big everything in the world is. And he says, well, at least like this. Reference Randall. Can give him a face. I will probably at some point accidentally delete him anyway. Wah, wah, wah. Yes. Oh wait. I hate human shapes because humans are just oddly shaped. That's not terrifying at all. Yeah, I should have. Well, doesn't get better than this. It's Deathstroke. Done. No, he's Deathstroke now. And for everyone who isn't doesn't know who Deathstroke is, I will now point in this direction, and in the YouTube video there will be a picture of Deathstroke. Because it's always awesome to put DC content in my videos. No. It was in lawful order. It's one of the dress-up darlings. I don't even know if he was a parody on Deadpool or if Deadpool was a parody on him. But there's some weird connection between the two. Why are they both white here? You know what? We will remove the windows, right? We'll cut them down to the bottom, right? Then we make some bigger windows. And just export the stuff. Pretend it's a museum. Put it into Unreal. Yeah. But before that I will go for a smoke. And then we play the turtle game. From Sven. We will see. Be right back. And I have returned just in time. Let me just remove the windows so I don't forget where we were. Then we go on the adventure with a turtle. Or tortoise? 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 With a ninja turtle. Who isn't a ninja? Alright. Turtle Adventure game. Turtle Adventure game. Turtle Adventures. Oh, it has sound. WASD, spacebar swim up, shift space down. Okay. Doesn't make sense what I said, but... Woohoo! Okay, I'm collecting watermelons. What's the other thing I'm looking for? Pearls? What if we can finish it? I think he built it for some school project. You can't see this, but the swimming actually feels pretty smooth. Okay, let's look for those pearls, right? Oh, it's those bubble rings. Wow. Ah, there it is. I see, and now I need to find them again. What happens if I swim up? Nothing. Well, at least it's blocked. There's a shark. Probably need to be aware of the shark. Or not. Just wants to cuddle. See, it's the old... Hey, holy... Jack, what are you doing here? I'm a tortoise. A turtle. So it's the old battle of low poly sharks versus smoothed turtles. Got lost on the way to Berghain. You can't even get into Berghain, right? But there's actually a trick. There's a clothing store in Berlin, and if you just get your clothes there, you get into Berghain. I don't think so. You know what happens in Berghain? Probably doesn't stay there because they have a social media page. Whatever's in this box is really heavy. Teufelsberg? Meh. Yeah, it's a game of Sven. He wanted to be here, but apparently couldn't make it. But I told him I would play it on Wednesday, but good for him. There's a VOD feature. Yeah, I'm collecting bubble rings and watermelon. I'm not sure about. So why do you start with Unity? Why Unity? Well, then use Unreal. There's the blueprint system, which is really neat for beginners. Unreal Engine is really easy to learn. Even I could do it. Yes? Unreal is free. It's been free for years now. Wait, why was one of the bubbles removed, or did I find 3? Houdini. The best description of Houdini I ever read was Houdini is the result of what happens when experts in the field create a program made up of insider jokes. And yes, I was looking into Houdini. Oh, it's actually pretty good if you have to 10 to 20 years to learn it. Oh yeah, you probably... Oh, game over. You probably have the right amount of autism to learn it. That's what I was just about to say. Yes. So how is it going? How is the little one? Yes, it would be helpful to have Blender on your resume then. You want to get into Houdini. It's definitely helpful. A Grandia style ESO RPG. Yeah, that's... But you still would need to model the characters, or you just get... There are those really awesome... I don't know what they are called. Oh... 3D... Oh, where's Ducky when you need them? There are those really fun looking 3D characters. They're all over Unity. And they're so modular and everything. Characters, pack. Shall I help? Polygon Fantasy character packs. Hey, Jonas. You could also have had the answer to this question. What are those packs called? Yeah, if you want to know stuff, Jack, about Unity, right? Then you can go to Jonas. He knows stuff. Let me give you a shout out and hope it's the one where you say that you have no clue. Yes, the Cindy packs.
Ooh. This one is good. Let's take that one. So, then we have hit effect, which is now currently just this. Reflect effect, which is here. Which is not a prefab.
Yeah, so Jack, you might want to look into... Did I copy that and not the whole? Into stuff like that. Because they're highly modular and a lot of people use them. Yeah, no problem. You know, I'm the guy who knows stuff. I drink and I know stuff. But I stopped drinking. I just know stuff. Yes, I guess that's why they go through the roof. And Cindy, they have a lot of stuff. They or he or she. It. It's a household name. I think. I would say ask Jonas, but he doesn't have terrain. I couldn't tell you how to make terrain in Unity. So, but Jonas, you probably know someone who knows, so we can push my friend in the right direction. There probably are. I mean, would be strange if not. Let me think, who would be a good... Yes. Jonas hated terrain so much, he made a space game. like an old project when I was so close to making an airship game because I couldn't get the buoyancy working. I was like, you know what? If this goes on, I make airships. Exactly what happened. I mean, the vacuum of space is easier to handle than some terrain, right? Terrain is so much effort. I see it every day. Who wants that? And you know, you spend hours building your terrain, thinking about all this stuff, and then the player goes like, this tree doesn't grow there. It does. I saw it. I put it there. Yeah, work smarter, not harder. I don't want to know how many cool airship trading simulations and stuff started as normal ship simulations, and then they were like, yeah, buoyancy sucks. Vœu d'esprit? I don't know what vœu d'esprit is. Was biogeneration based on weather, climate, altitude, etc. You said an Avatar. The Last Airbender? So, you know what? Let me check the Unity devs I have. Of course, you could ask John, but I don't know how he made his Caribbean islands. Yeah, and that's 2D. It's not even a... That's cricket. Ah. The blue dickheads. All three of them. Three? Hang on. Yeah, the Avatar movies really confused me. Because I was like, yeah, something is off about the whole story plot. And at the end, at some point, I was like, sorry, I had a Discord to answer. There was this deleted scene where the blue dickheads actually attacked one of the research bases, and that's how the whole conflict was going down. I was like, oh yeah, that makes much more sense. It's Pocahontas in space. Oh right, this movie you're talking about. The cheeky raccoon. Yeah, right, there was a raccoon in Pocahontas. Bum, 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 bum. Wait, it had a name? It must have been ages since I saw this movie, yeah? Do not judge. And I don't have children, so I probably will never see it again. I will have some remake. It's probably currently in the making. I have children. Did watch recently. Child. I have one child. Well, your wife definitely has two. You don't even can remember how many you have. She's taking care of 2 children. She married one of them. Are you married? Don't want to have fake news. And if you are married, why was I not invited? Such a good party guest. Sambo? Ah. So there was no party, or where? I can see Sweden when I go to the beach. A ferry is like 50 bucks. In my pants. There was a party in your pants, I see. Yeah, I wouldn't want to join that. Yeah, it looks well like a prison, right? Yeah, I really need to reconnect this one. Let me check. Yes, view here. For your interest, does many cool things. Yeah, but this does. Oh, that's a tree. Alright, it's one of those. So, Jack, if I learned one thing, right, in working with Shadow on a project, I can't imagine how hard it must have been for him in the beginning, because I was over planning everything, right, and he slowly had to teach me that you do one step by another, one step slowly, one by one, and I was just solving problems that won't even occur till 6 months in the project. So we split everything up, and you should do the same. You can make a terrain later, right? When you have the characters running, the battle system and so on. Then you can take care of the terrain. You make a new map, take care of the terrain. Now, first of all, you get yourself a hack and plan. Right? Know what a hack and plan is? See, and that's what you do. So that's a hack and plan, right? You have all those, and then you can define tasks to do. And then you can, well, I got another project. It's work, and it's really good. So I'm pretty sure this is working. Yes, that too. Yeah, you can do this in Unreal. In Unreal, it's really easy to do. So first step is, right, you uninstall Unity and install Unreal. That's 20 years ago. About 20 years ago. I have seen this. I think I've seen this somewhere. Yeah, so at the end of the day you have to make this decision first, right? Do you want to use Unreal or Unity? I can tell you that Unreal recently added a lot of stuff that will make your life a whole lot easier. You're rich? Wait, you're rich? Let's talk again about the party in your pants, right?
Come on.
Looks like a train station. You know what? We add some text that helps to decipher that this is a museum. Museum of Cocks. Coast Museum. I know it's a museum and I know the place, so why don't we check on it? Oop. Lol, you've been here? Yeah, I found it by accident and I was like, yeah, that's a good map. It's a tourist trap. So what is there? Since I'm working on this project, I asked myself, why would people drive out there? Is the food any good? Go on. Yeah, it looks like it. Other end. But it could have at least made some more photos so I can jump through the middle. Of the country, oh. I mean, at least there's a Doctor Who thing. Toilets. That's a good hidden copyright. We just call it Land's End. And it's not a one-to-one replica, but who gives a sh**? Oh, we can rename it Country's End. Country? Countries? Is this game any fun? It looks like a lot of work. Cock. Yes, it's really fun. You know, it's one of those creative games like Minecraft, but it's much more detailed. So you wouldn't believe, but a block in this Minecraft version is just this big. This little white dot there. It's super fun. And it's painful. The bane of my existence. And I really would love to make this for a job, you know. Not just some more experienced person watching my fingers and be like, yeah, that's... You can do this easier, you can do this better. Did I miss your rude joke? Too many O in country? Yes, I missed this. I am offended. Badges for animation, rigging, texturing. Yeah, gamification would work. I mean, if you can program Python, right, you can probably make an add-on for that. Or you can just ask ChatGPT. Python is for losers and data scientists. And Blender, apparently, they use Python. Someone at some point asked me why I think there are more Unity devs on Twitch than Unreal devs. And I was thinking, and at some point I said, because Unreal devs get jobs. And since then, this will be my standard go-to. I think they're just more Unity devs than Unreal. This is Blender. Want to see Unreal? Want to see some, right? That's what we're going at. You just want to see some stuff. Yeah, I think that the price, right? And I just informed someone that Unreal is not expensive anymore. So this is Unreal, right? Yeah, I'm really looking forward to the new store. What I just want one thing of this store, and it's the owned as a tag, so I can just put it out, so it doesn't show me all the stuff I have when I look for stuff I need. Yes, yes, it has a lot of nice features these days. Yes, I know, right? I was looking for icons. I know the icons I have. Yes, but you see, once a month, at the beginning of the month, Unreal gives away free stuff. And when you have this free stuff, it shows you all the free stuff as well that you have. So you're going through 60 pages, because sometimes it puts something at the end. Yeah, so that's the buildings we're working on. But that's the building we're working on currently. Because the scale is off. It's 1.5. And I forgot to scale it up. Oh no! Not again! Ah. Oh, let me close this because you're really little bad. Yes, absolutely. That was a sentence. Yes, I modeled Land's End. That's exactly right. Well, I made a map based on Land's End, right? It's not a one-to-one thing. I just got heavily inspired, as they say. So you actually will follow a road in Great Britain in the first campaign. My cursor senses are ticking. No, he's talking about me. So, White Dev is the man, the myth, the legend in the background managing my YouTube channel. So he's cutting the videos, he's making the shorts. He is also basically doing quality control for my streams. So be nice to him. Please. I really need him. I really don't like the interface of... Yeah, there's a reason I'm saying this, Dragon, right? You both know that. You're British. You're British. Introduce me to your grandmother. You want? Oh, she's probably sleeping. It's 11. Cup of tea. So I really don't like the Unity interface, that's what I wanted to say. All looks so... I don't know. It looks like 3 engines at the same time. You Jack, if you have any questions about Unreal, right? Just hit me up. It is sad way. Yes, yeah, that's actually a good idea. So I think I have a Hangout command. No, I don't. So there's the Hangout, right, where we hang out. And we sit around, we program, we talk, we jog around. Typical programmer stuff. Now, if you have a free minute, you can just... I'm in Discord already, I think. Yeah, but are you in the right one? White Dev, do you have a moment to check the stream bot what the command was? I'm sure I made one. And there's the invite link. Yeah, that's the one where we hang out. The Dev Club 309. Alright, thank you. Oh. Of course. Exactly. And hanging out in the Hangout, right, is the best way to get in contact with me. Or to see what secret projects I'm also working on. Is the bot dead again? Shouldn't be, right? There you go. Alright. I have a command for that. So is the link still working? Yes. Do not need the S. Alright. So yes, if you want to see my super secret projects, you can just ask, but it don't show them on stream. So we would meet in a dark alleyway down at the docks. I'm the man with the soft lips on a Lantern 3, guy with the trench coat. Something like that, yeah, or we hang out in the Discord, whatever you prefer. Please come to the Discord, I don't want to get myself a trench coat. Yeah, I could just reuse this as a train station. Alright then, yeah, so you can just go into an offline hangout and you will probably attract someone. Like, we're not the only ones there, there are a bunch of people. And... or really shopping mall, yeah, that's true. With a tobacco shop, definitely. That looks like a tobacco shop. That's definitely... you would find one here. And on the other side there's this old restaurant, which isn't attracting people, but it's in the family for generations. So you have the typical village alcoholics just going there and drinking beer, and that's what they do. And if you ask for food, they roll with their eyes, because they haven't cooked in years, and now they need to figure out if the kitchen is still working. Exactly. But they don't give up. But they called Gordon Ramsay once. Please! This place is bricked up. Double bricked up, as the youth would say. I'm sure that's nothing the youth would say, but let's just pretend they do. How are you doing, bees? How's going? How are your TikTok experiments? Oh, recently I got a video of you in my YouTube feed. And not with the account that is subscribed to you. It was the new character you added. So yes, you're spreading. So the problem I currently see. Wait, so we can convert this to a mesh. We can join that. We can unwrap this. But we also need to convert this to a mesh and join this in. And then we to smart unwrap it again. And then we put it into rework done. Then we have still collection, which I can probably do in 12 minutes because I remember recently I repaired it. Yes. But that one was a messy one. That's a messy one. So messy, I pay $150 an hour. Even the right scale already. Nice. Cool. But that also means I have nothing to do. So let's talk about things, alright? What do you want to talk about? Ask me anything. It's like 10 minutes. What I'm gonna do for 10 minutes? Oh, let's find someone to raid then. With practical NPC and with cricket. Also could do Irish John, but I would rather support small streamers.
Waiting for Anthony to come back and ask for the Linux version. Dude, I can't tell why we're not dying. Why we're dying. Let me see. Okay, if we don't die here, let's go back down. Jump out. Oh my god. Let's do this.
What is cricket doing?
Stop flashing.
So, there's one thing I
Let's try
want
it.
to do one of these days.
So
and that's
on
to work on the
rally,
Kickstarter page.
we'll say
I want to start.
player.
Alright, so we're dying on the exit state.
Flashing.
Seems,
True.
I have no clue.
seems like there's no transition from the death state or
Okay,
from the twilight
okay.
state to the death
So
state.
we don't have a Mavis. He wasn't even here today, right? It is Wednesday and he isn't here.
Very hot. If health is less than 0, change
Yes,
to
cricket call is a wall of text. Do you want to officially complain because then we raid him?
That's why. Less than or equal to 0. That's why we aren't dying. But actually, we might
On
be
the
fine
points.
here. We might not ever die.
I think it's a good idea.
You could say.
I thought we had to mess with our hitboxes, but it seems like we don't.
Yeah, let's raid cricket. So yeah, I finished actually more than I was anticipating.
Only for certain cases, though.
So it was nice to have you all here.
Oh, not even.
Some
Give it a shot.
long not seen faces, like Jack, Bees, who's here occasionally. Nice to see you here, Jonas.
Alright, what's going on here?
So let's raid cricket, right? Ungültiger Benutzername. Okay. /raid.
Or it didn't happen. So Yeah, we didn't connect to Twitch.
Okay, yeah.
Raid was created.
Is the only one that's messed
So, yes,
Everyone's
So let's do
flashing.
that.
Okay.
I love your
Maybe we
wife,
could just mess with
Jack.
the extents here. What we'll do is change
You,
extents.
you really don't want to
like,
check your family with Ancestry.com.
do like a
So,
standard extents and then a crouching
a
extents
hydrate.
for like 12
Yeah, I will do
seconds.
this off the stream. Just for you, I make a photo. Oh wait,
Actually, let's make a hitbox.
200% Germanic. Germanic Twitch.
I think it has to recompile when we change parameters.
So I hope you enjoyed my stream, I hope you have fun, I hope you learned something. For instance, and Wednesday streams can be pretty chill. Yeah, I'm here every Wednesday. And also on Sundays. So,
Vector,
we raid Cricket.
4 and
He's a nice guy. Not in a nice guy sense, but he's cool. He's funny.
So today's flashing.
And I hope I see you all next Wednesday or Sunday.
it's updated to
And I see you all next time.
And we can see he successfully issued the command.
Auf Wiedersehen.
oops.
And we gotta work on this ball animation thing.
Down
So
a
his
bit.
flashing did not stop.
I want to talk to you.